Okay, it's laundry day. I just got a ton of my Black Friday deals in the mail, and these CashSoft Gap pants, this is the first time I'm putting them on my body. Holy smokes. These are nice. These are great. I haven't even taken the tags off. Oh no. Now I'm gonna have to get whatever other colors they have, or just more pairs of these, or maybe I'll have to get them from my mom and my sister too. But I also got the cardigan to match. If this is what their CashSoft feels like, I feel like finding good sweaters that don't irritate your skin is very difficult. At least for me it is, and I've been on the hunt this year for a good sweater that won't like itch me, a good turtleneck sweater too. So this is a great set. I got a medium in the top so that it'd be a little bit loungier, and then I was a little worried about getting a small because I'm really tall. Sometimes it just fits weird, but these are like these are a nice baggy, looser feel. I could hike them up and they'd still be pretty long, but at like a midi rise. Pants are the perfect length at like a midi rise. This is my new, oh, take the tags off of this too. I work from home. This is the perfect lounge set. Today, I have a new mattress being delivered because I've had my mattress for well over a decade and it is concaved. You could tell where I sleep. It's time. It's not good for my back, for my posture. And then later tonight I have a hair appointment. So this mane is getting cut every single time I go to the hairdresser. I don't know what I want to do with it, but we'll figure it out. And later I'll do a show and tell of what I got in the mail from all of my Black Friday shopping. So this is kind of going to be a Black Friday shopping haul. So I hope you enjoy. It's late and I need to take a shower, but I got my hair cut and I've been watching Christmas movies and it's been really nice just to kind of unwind. But I wanted to do a haul of what I've gotten so far from my Black Friday shopping. I've been kind of making like a wish list for myself because we're not doing Christmas gifts this year. We're doing a bigger present for the whole family to enjoy, which I'm really excited about. That'll be coming this summer. I had some things on my wish list. I already showed you the CashSoft Gap two-piece set. It is phenomenal. Can't say enough about it. But I also got some other things from Gap, like this really great blue ribbed long sleeve. This color got me, and then I got a white long sleeve Henley because I feel like I can never have too many white long sleeves or just white shirts in general, and I don't have a Henley version. I'll stick with the Gap stuff. I got 2 pairs of jeans from Gap, same style. I've gotten them in white, but I really like the way they fit, and so I got 2 more pairs. They are the high-rise 90s straight, slim through the hip and thigh straight leg. So this is a really great wash. I don't have a lot of jeans in this wash, but I like how they fit and how they stay fitted throughout the day. I also got a pair of black. I might get a dark wash. Don't know. I just put in another order for more CashSoft pieces from Gap because I want to get my mom and sister some stuff. So next, ThredUP. So ThredUP was having some good sales for Black Friday as well. But I saw this cute little jean skort by Tory Burch. It is a skort. It has the shorts. I thought it was so cute and I can't wait to style it. I'm envisioning brown with this kind of denim because this is a very dark wash denim with tights and boots. I'm really excited for this one. I think it was something like $20 for this skirt. I used to be obsessed with ThredUP. lots of mistakes. Next is J.Crew, and if this is what I think it is, I am super excited. This was an investment piece. I think it is. This is my cashmere scarf. Oh, it's so soft. I got rid of all of my scarves, and I have had scarves from when I was like in elementary school. So many of them were so itchy. I would literally get like a rash up my neck, down my chest. So I got this instead because it's high quality material that I will wear forever. Oh, I love it. It's perfect. I'm gonna keep it on while I do the rest of this. That's kind of been the theme for my shopping. As I'm getting older, I'm going to be 30 this year, and I need to invest in quality pieces that will last a lifetime, and this is definitely going to last a lifetime. It's so soft. I'm not itchy. Oh, such good quality. One thing that I have an issue with is why don't brands have matching sweater and scarf sets? I was searching through J.Crew for a matching sweater for this with the same knit pattern, same exact gray color, and it was always either a different knit pattern or a different gray color. I'm like, I love a matching set. It's mix and match. You can wear it with more, and that would be a great upsale. So I don't understand why more brands don't have those matching opportunities, but just food for thought. But now I kind of wish that I got the extra large wrap because I really want that like big puffiness around my neck, but this works too. And the last package that I have here is a very important one. Big deal for me. It's a box in a box. Hold on. Is it a box in another box? I swear. It's a box in another box. There's another box. I got a Dyson Airwrap on Black Friday, so they were having some deals. Oh, that's right. You get the box. Like you get the case and everything. Okay. All right, all the instructions. Okay. The boxes in the boxes. My goodness. So this will be for the rough hair dyeing. This is the attachment that I got. These are the shaping brushes, and then this is the smoothing attachment. And the two rods are in here. Ooh. Okay, I've got the thicker rod, which I think that's the one that I'm going to get a lot of use out of. So this is the thinner rod. Oh, there's one more attachment. The round brush attachment. This is intense, to say the least. I also went to CVS today after my hairdresser appointment. Had to get a new brush because I literally broke the handle off. So I just got a Conair brush. Some other things that I got some Velcro curlers because she used some on my hair and I've been needing to get some more. So I got these to go with curlers. I also got some pins to help them stay in place while the hair is cooling. I got some more B5 serum. This is a staple. I go through it pretty quickly. Oh, I also got this Volume Body Mousse by Pantene. I trust Pantene to not make me break out, so I'm gonna try it. But she used some volume mousse in the roots of my hair now that my hair isn't as long, not as heavy, so exciting. And just some other run-of-the-mill stuff. Deodorant. I also got some Vaseline chapstick because I've been using Vaseline on my lips at bedtime during this like winter season, but this one has SPF in it, so Ooh, I like that. So this will be good, especially for my walks in the morning or just in general, to have a more hydrating SPF. And I like the gloss that it gives. It gives a nice subtle gloss. If you're looking for links to things that I got, I've been making a wish list in my Shop My account, so I'll link that down below if you want to check it out, but otherwise they're pretty easy to find online. Good morning. Okay, so the packages keep trickling in. Got another package. So backstory behind this, I work from home, so comfy clothes are essential. Today I'm literally wearing cashmere sweater with undershirt to stay warm, and then the Gap CashSoft pants. I've only had them for now, this is 2 days, but I don't want to take them off. They are so comfortable. With that being said, I want nice, comfortable, casual clothing to wear while I'm working at home, but that could also just be comfortable loungewear around the house. I ordered from American Tall because I'm a tall girl, and for the pants and the arms, I like the length to be longer, especially for the pants, because with pants, I can just get them tailored to be a little shorter or to the length that I want. Okay, I got a 2-piece set, this beautiful like icy blue. The arms look nice and long. It's a nice thick ribbed material too, but these are more pajamas, but I can wear them with sweaters and wear it for work too. So I got the matching pants, which are nice and long, legs for days. So these look like they are going to be perfect. Nice thick waistband. This is really nice, and they have pockets. This is the brand American Tall with a little giraffe next to it, but 2-piece set. I love 2-piece sets, and any lounge set for working from home I will always be sold on for the most part, especially this blue color. That's what really got me. We're whittling down. I don't think I have much more coming. I do have a few other things from Gap on the way. But I do think that's it. So I am officially off for the rest of the year, off of work. I am super tired. I feel like I'm unwinding, and I've literally been wearing a robe all day. This is my way to unwind, but also to show you guys the other things that have come in the mail. So this came in the other day. I got it from LL Bean. It is the large size bow and toe in the classic navy blue. I love it so much. I was debating between the large and the extra large, but I stuck with the large, and right now it's already holding all my goodies. My cashmere scarf, my CashSoft, my Henley from Gap, so it's got all my goodies in here. But I also got something else from Gap today. One of my Gap purchases actually got lost in the mail, and that was the purchase with things for my mom and my sister. Even though we're not doing gifts this year, I still wanted to get them something just to get it for them, but unfortunately it got lost in the mail, so I might reorder. But first thing first, I got these brown tights. These are sheer brown tights. These are what I wanted to style with the Tory Burch skort that I got from ThredUP, with like a really beautiful brown sweater. And I have this brown pea coat that I've literally had since probably middle school, but it still fits and it's timeless, and it's a beautiful rich chocolate brown. I hope that these go really nicely with it. I think they will, but they were on super sale, so love that. And then I got a dark wash of the same jeans. I really love the fit of these straight leg 90s high rise. So I got them in the dark wash. So now I have them in a light wash, black, dark, and white. which I got earlier this year. I'm pretty sure that that's everything that I got for myself from Black Friday deals. This has been a lot of fun. This has been like my Christmas for a couple days now. So as you can see, I'm definitely in the Christmas spirit. I have been baking Christmas cookies today, so I'll be putting out a vlog with Christmas cookies. I'll be baking this weekend with my niece and nephew, and then we'll be doing a Christmas lights tour Sunday night. So I'm really excited, and I'm really looking forward to just relaxing and unwinding for the next 2 weeks. I'm reflecting a lot as we're coming to the end of this year. I have less than a month left in my 20s. I will officially be 30 years old. 30 years old. I will be 30. I will be 30 in the new year. New Year's isn't as big of a deal for me as my birthday is. Not that I'm like, my birthday's super important, but more so just like a milestone. I'm trying to think of what I want for myself in this new year, new age. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a very happy holidays and a happy new year. Good night.